All right, today I have a Ford Mustang Mach E, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers on this Ford Mustang Mach E. I'm going to show you how to turn on the windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to turn off the windshield wipers. I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the rear window wiper, as well as how to turn on the windshield washer and the rear window washer. I'm going to be going over a lot of this, even talking about intermittence mode and automatic. Okay, so but before we get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. I really will. All right, so with that said, let's go ahead and get started. So like I said, so I'm sitting in front of my steering wheel of my Ford Mustang Mach E with the vehicle in park. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to look through the steering wheel. And you see right here, there is this lever right here. There is a clever lever. All right, so this lever right here is where you control the windshield wipers. Okay, get in closer so you can see this. There's a lot of symbols on here, and I'm going to go over these symbols. Okay, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to come up to this right here, and with this lever, clever lever, in order to turn on the windshield wipers, you can do a couple of things. If you have a mist, like say for instance something gets on your windshield, you just simply press down like that, and it wipes it one time. See that? It wipes it one time. All right, so that's if you have a mist on it and something splashed on the windshield and you just need to get off. Just press it down once, and it'll wipe it once, and it'll shut off. Now you can do that, but also if you want, after you release it, it goes back to the off position. All right, so do like that. You hear it wipe once, and it goes back to the off position. And you see that 0 right there. That's indicator. This is where the lever is after I release it. That is the off position for the windshield wipers right here. And it's in right here. Now, that's how you turn it off for the front windshield. Now, to turn it to automatic, I'm going to explain that for you for a second. So automatic is actually a setting that you can have where it automatically detects, and you can have an intermittence with that. So the intermittence, you can adjust that inside of the auto setting, and I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'm going to raise it one time, and it is in the automatic setting. You just heard it wipe once, right? It just wiped once. Now, you can control the frequency that it wipes when it's in the automatic setting, okay? So you can actually change it to where you can have it like right here. That's for it. It shows you a little bit of mist or a little bit of rain. It has it right here. So it's kind of like the low mode. So the intermittence is very low. It's raining a little bit harder. You can raise it right here. A little bit harder, raise it up to that. Raining really hard, you bring it up to here. And that intermittence right here is a lot shorter from when it wipes. So it'll wipe with a lot more frequent frequency. All right. So when you have it right there, and it's in the auto mode. Okay, so this is the auto mode, and it has intermittence that can be adjusted. And the auto mode works when it detects that rain has been dropped or something has been dropped on your windshield. It will actually turn on when you have in the auto mode with an intermittence. It'll actually turn on automatically when it detects that rain or water has been on it. Okay, so that's intermittence mode. Now, if you just want to have a little bit more manual control on it, you just have to take this lever and go up one more notch. So I'm going to go up one more notch, and it is on low. You see that right there? It is on low. All right, and so if I want it to go a little bit faster from off of low, I'll go up a notch, okay? And then it is on high right here, and that's for like a torrential almost rainfall. The frequency is a lot faster, it's going off. But when I want it to stop, I'm just gonna go all the way down right here. Boom, bada boom, bada boom. Now, we're gonna talk about windshield washer and rear window washer. But first, I'm gonna go over the rear window, and then I'll get to the rear washer. So with the rear window, okay, show you the rear window back there. That is the rear window. I'm gonna come down here, and with the rear window, I'm going to take this. If you look on the edge right here, there is a little switch right here. Come on, show you this really quick. You see this switch right here? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it up one notch. Currently it is at the bottom where that 0 is. You see that 0 right there? That is the 0 indicates that it's off. If I go up one notch, it is on low. You can possibly see it. Here, let me see. Go back here so you can see that. The intermittence is really low, so it's really infrequent. Let me see it the next. See, that's on low. Now, if I want to turn it on high, I just come down here and I go up the entire notch right here. And if you look back here on the back, you'll see that it's going at a higher frequency right there, faster like that. Okay, and so when I want to turn it off, I just simply go and turn it off like that. And then it turns off and shuts. Now, to do the windshield, for washing the windshield and the rear window, I'm going to take this same lever, this clever lever right here, that I've been using to turn on. In order to turn on the windshield washer, I'm just going to simply pull it backwards towards me. And when I pull it backwards, it comes out. So the washer fluid comes out and it washes a few times, and then it ultimately shuts off after I've released this lever. Now to do the rear window, what I'm going to have to do is take the same lever and I'm going to push it away from me. And when I push it away from me, look at that. On the rear window, it starts wiping and washing just like that. And then after a couple of washes, it will stop. Okay, see how it just stopped? All right. And that is how you operate the windshield wipers on the Ford Mustang Mach E. This is how you operate the windshield washer, the rear window washer, and the front window washer. I hope it was very informative for you. I hope you were able to learn a lot from this video. I appreciate it a lot. Thanks a lot for watching.